shy.
Well, let's see if we can test this one. Hello and welcome to the Golden Pacifier Awards. We had a little problem and we didn't have enough time to set up correctly. But what's most important are the awards, right? Well, the first award of the evening is for the most adorable baby. And the award goes to... Lady. Great, I'll watch triumphantly.
All right, for Lady! Away! Away! Lady, your antennas are tickling my nose. Sorry, Rocky from Paw Patrol. I didn't mean to. Rocky, be careful. Sorry. Hey, Pop.
Oh, the awards. The only thing that was okay. Oh no, what a disaster. All of them are crying. This can only be fixed by Scissors Laugh. We need you quickly. I don't feel like going. Look. Let's go, Suzu. Crying. This can only be fixed by Scissors Laugh. We need you quickly. I don't feel like going. Look.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three. And then 8.
Let's go, Suzu. Laugh. We need to make them happy.